So, if you're a life science or biotech company and a patient dies taking part in a clinical trial that you're sponsoring, what do you do? Patient death during a clinical trial is a critical safety event that triggers a whole lot of urgent responsibilities for the life science or company sponsoring that study. And that's because a clinical trial participant dying is an immediate priority. And it's important that you start off by transparently reporting to the FDA and kicking off a thorough investigation. The first thing that happens is the clinical site must immediately inform your team and also inform the independent safety oversight body or the IRB body. Oftentimes, you may have set in place a data safety monitoring board also, and this event gets reported to them as well. If the death is suspected to be related to the investigational product or drug, and this death was unexpected based on prior information, then reporting to regulatory bodies like the FDA is required to be expedited. And this usually has to happen within 7 calendar days from awareness. This crucial reporting timeline ensures that there is a prompt regulatory review, and it also helps safeguard the safety of the other patients. As this reporting is happening to the FDA, the IRB board or ethics committee is also responsible for protecting other human subjects, and they must be informed. So the IRB will review the circumstances surrounding the death and determine if the study can safely continue or if modifications will be needed. The next thing that happens is that all relevant data must be secured and meticulously reviewed. This will include medical records, lab results, autopsy results, and all study related data points. The goal of this review is to determine the likely cause of death and whether it's related to the investigational product or it could be another factor. Then it is the responsibility of the study team to inform the patient's next of kin. The research team working with the sponsor or the life science company needs to be able to provide answers to questions from the patient's loved ones or family members. And based off of any investigation, the biotech company and the safety oversight bodies may need to take immediate action. This could be things like pausing the clinical trial or pausing any new enrollment of any more subjects. And if no decision is made to pause the study, then the decision to continue the trial must be based on a careful assessment on the risk benefit profile for all the remaining participants taking part in the study.